Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to store oranges. Okay, so here's the thing. Oranges look great in a nice bowl on the countertop, but that's absolutely the worst place to store them. Oranges like to be cold, so you want to keep them in the refrigerator. Another thing about oranges is they're a non-climacteric fruit. What does that mean? So there's two types of fruits, climacteric and non-climacteric. Those non-climacteric fruits, they basically, once you pick them, they're just slowly dying. They're on life support. So you're doing everything you can to keep them alive and fresh. Climacteric fruits are ones that continue to ripen even after they're picked. So an example of that would be bananas or peaches. They continue to get riper. So an orange, once it's picked, it's really just dying. So you want to stop that death. So how do you store oranges? You want to put them in the refrigerator in a crisper drawer. They like to be cool and dry. Now you can put them in a bag, just don't seal the bag. If you do this, oranges will actually stay fresh for a couple weeks. How awesome is that? So don't store them in a counter on a bowl. Even though they look great, it's not the best way to store them. So once you're ready to eat that orange, take it out of the refrigerator and let it come to room temperature. It'll be much tastier. And that's how you store an orange. Hey, you know what? If you have a question, drop me a line. If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. And if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. So once you're ready to eat that orange, make sure you take it out of the fridge, put it on the, oh